Hello, in this video I'm going to run through the basics of SolidWorks PDM Web2 server. This is a way to access the SolidWorks PDM Vault when you are not at your office and you're not connected to the same network as the server. This is used for remote access. So what you'll need to do is open your internet browser, then go to the website for your PDM web server. It is typically http:// type in your server name / SolidWorks Pdm. This will take you to the Solidworks Pdm Login screen. First, type in your user credentials and your password. Then click Login. Once logged in, you will see your full Vault structure. I'm going to select my projects folder. Inside there you'll see I've got my P1 project folder, and there you can see all my SolidWorks files. Also, you can see all the columns available to my user. If you'd like to add additional columns like description, cost, item code, you can do that in the PDM administration tool. A lot of the tools that are available to you directly from here is change state. You can use this to approve files, send them to be edited, or you can check out the file if you'd like to make changes to it. However, with the PDM web server, you have to check the file out and download the files in order to have a local copy to make changes. From here, I can click on my assembly and it will take me to the full 3D eDrawings preview. Here, I can rotate my model, create an exploded view, or even create sections. You can even go a step further and measure certain items. You can also access your PDM data card. If you've selected assembly, you can see the complete bill of materials. You can even access the where used tab and the history. If you like, you can even go and create new folders. And once you've created your new folder, you can upload files and check them in. Or you can even access your PDM search tool. You can search in the current folder, the current and subfolders, or you can search in all the folders in the Vault. From here, you can see my search results show, and I can access either the preview, change state, checkout, download, and certain items like data card, just like before. Thank you for watching.